So for this question, we are now on to continuous random variables, and we are done with the binomial distribution for now. So you can see that this is a new link. It's called the normal curve calculator, and over here to the right is our normal curve. All right, so for these questions, essentially what I'm trying to find is what is the probability, or what's the area under the curve for a standard normal distribution. So standard normal distribution has the following characteristics. The mean equals 0. The standard deviation equals 1. Remember, this is for a standard normal distribution. All right, and you'll know that it's standard normal because of this letter right here. It's not an X, it's a Z. So when you see Z, which is actually a Z-score, it's asking for the standard normal. So over here on the right, all I need then is this number right here. Okay? So over here on the right, you'll see my normal distribution. Notice the mean and standard deviation default to that because it's greater than. Okay, so you see this little greater than symbol? Let me see if I can draw to it. So greater than means above. All right, so the greater than symbol means above. So I'm going to type in my number right here, 2.07. And if you hit enter, I believe it calculates it, and it did. Or you can just click the button recalculate. It doesn't matter. I need these 4 decimal places right there to type into the homework. So 0.0192. Let's go back to the homework. 0.0192 and submit. I did want to bring your attention that there are 2 other videos here, and this is basically some other ways of calculating this probability. But I find my little technology thing here is probably the easiest. Notice that this area here is shaded. That does represent about 2% of whatever's being shaded. So notice it's just a sliver. Okay, so hopefully that helps you with this question and a few more after this.